find the range of f of x equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 for all x belongs to capital R. Means the domain is given, x is real number. So once again we need not to consider the domain of the given function. So we can find directly the range of f of x. Okay, here one formula is there. X plus 1 by x is always greater than or equal to 2 if x is positive, and if x is negative it is less than or equal to minus 2. Okay, let it be. Here once again let us consider f of x equal to x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1. So in such a case clearly we see that denominator is x square plus 1. So I will try to obtain the same term x square plus 1. So this can be x square plus 1, okay, plus we are writing as it is 1 by x square plus 1. Okay, here 1 is added for x square, that's why minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 barobar, there is no loss of generality. So therefore let it be this x square is capital X and it will be the capital X. So it is in the form of x plus 1 divided by capital X. So just like that, and we see that x square plus 1 is always positive for all x belongs to any real number. Positive case means we have to follow this case. So therefore total this value is greater than or equal to 2 according to that condition. Okay, next remaining value minus 1. So it is greater than or equals to 1. So therefore f of x means what? Y. Let it be y. So therefore either f of x is greater than or equal to 1 or simply y is greater than or equal to 1. Means what? Y is belongs to closed interval of 1 to infinity. Greater than or equal to 1 means for example it is 0, it is 1, 2 and so on up to plus infinity. Greater than or equal to 1 means this area from 1 to infinity, just like that. Where is that? It is in first option, hence the problem. The function f, its domain and codomain are same, capital R, and defined as f of x equal to box of 2x minus 2 into box of x. Then what is the range of f of x? This kind of questions are also important. Here first we take x that is belongs to z plus. I am taking positive integer. Example, let us take x equal to 3. Then f of x is equal to box of 2 into 3 minus 2 into box of 3. So that is equal to, it is box of 6 minus box of 3 equal to 3. 3 into 2, 6. So that is equal to answer 0. Means resultant value is 0. Means x equal to 3. X equal to 3 means x belongs to z plus. When x belongs to z plus means this is the domain. The range will be 0. Okay, 1 minute. Next, later, let us take x belongs to z minus, means negative integer. So let us take minus 3. Then f of x is equal to box of 2 into minus 3 minus 2 into box of minus 3. That is equal to box of minus 6 minus 2 into it is minus 3. That is equal to minus 6 plus 6. That is equal to 0. So even though x is belongs to z minus, the output is 0. Next, let us take x belongs to rational number. Rational number means, for example, x equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5. Then f is equal to box of 2 into x means what? 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Next minus 2 into box of 3 by 2. So 2 cancel. So box of 3 equal to 3 minus 2 into, it is box of 1.5. Box of 1.5 is 1. So that is equal to 3 minus 2. That is equal to 1. So I showed only one example for Z plus, one example for Z minus, one example for rational. So similarly, we can show that for every Z plus, for every Z minus, for every rational number, like that respectively. So output will be 1. So what I am telling that, you come here, this is the domain, this is the domain. Domain is what? Any real number. Means it is Z plus, Z minus, including Q. You can take it 0 also. So anyhow, it is a complete real number set. Function is box of 2x minus 2 into box of x. So output will be only either 0 or 1. Only 2 elements are there. That's why second option is right. Question, but function is different. F of x equal to box of x plus box of minus x. F is a surjective function. Surjective function means f of domain means capital R is equal to codomain. Means here codomain is equal to range. It is the complete meaning of f of x is surjective. In such case, what is B? B means what? This is called range. This is called range, not codomain. So therefore, what is the question? Find the range. Find the range of the given function. Okay. So f of x equal to box of x plus box of minus x. Okay. As usually, I am taking first x is belongs to z plus, later x belongs to z minus, and x belongs to some rational number. Okay, z plus means let us take x equal to 3, then f of x equal to box of 3 plus box of minus 3, that is equal to 3 minus 3, of course 0. So output is 0. Similarly, x equal to minus 3, f equal to minus 3 means minus 3 plus box of minus 2 minus plus 3. So same answer, it is 0. Now let us take a rational number. Rational number means just x equal to, for example, you can take minus 3 by 2 also. Then it will become here positive 3 by 2. Otherwise, it will become positive 3 by 2 for x equal to plus 3 by 2. Okay, you can take any rational number. Next, so therefore f of x equal to box of 3 by 2. 3 by 2, this is 3 by 2 plus box of minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means box of 1.5 plus box of minus 1.5. So that is equal to box of 1.5 value 1. Next, plus box of minus 1.5 is equal to minus 2 according to definitions. So that is equal to minus 1. So you can take 0 also. I am telling that for every rational number, for every negative integer, for every positive integer. For time being, I took particularly 3 minus 3, just like that. You can take any number in particular cases. Okay. Now, now the meaning is you can take any real number. Function is what? Box of x plus box of minus x. So the output will be either 0 or minus 1. So therefore, which option is right? Fourth option is right. Hence the problem. If f of x equal to ax power 7 plus bx cubed plus cx minus 5. Observe the degree of x is odd number. 7 odd number, 3 odd number, it is 1 odd number. That's why we are taking different step from the given equation. let us take f of x plus 5 is equal to a x to the power of 7 plus b x cubed plus c into x. Okay, this is the given equation. Okay, let it be only this much. Let it be capital F of x. So clearly we see that capital F of x. Capital F of x means what? This much only. This much only. Clearly we see that F of x is an odd function. Is an odd function because x power order. So that implies capital F of minus x equal to, according to definition, minus f of x. So that implies capital F of minus x means capital F of x is f of x plus 5. Capital F of minus x means just you put minus x instead of plus x. F of minus x plus 5 plus 5. This is f of minus x. That is equal to minus bracket begin. Capital F of x is f of x plus 5. So on simplification, f of minus x plus 5 is equal to minus f of x minus 5. So that implies f of minus x plus f of x, that is equal to minus 10 on simplification. Okay, here we are having f of minus 7 value also. That's why just we put x is equal to 7. Then it remains f of minus 7 plus f of 7 equal to minus 10. So therefore what is f of minus 7 value? 7. So instead of that we can write 7 plus f of 7 that is equal to minus 10. So that implies f of 7 equal to minus 17. Okay, what is the question? Find the range of f of 7 plus 17 cos x. So therefore the given function f of 7 plus 17 cos x is equal to, what is f of 7 minus 17? Minus 17 plus 17 cos x. Now therefore cos x lies between minus 1 and plus 1. Just you multiply with 17. Now gradually by taking standard formula, gradually we are obtaining this function to find the range. Okay, first you multiply 17 with 17, then it will be minus 17 less than or equal to 17 into cos x less than or equal to 1 into 17. Next, just add minus 17. So already one minus 17 is there. Again we are adding another minus 17 throughout the inequation. So minus 17 plus 17 cos x less than or equal to, already one plus 17 is there. We are adding minus 17. So which follows that minus 34 less than or equal to, this is the given function, means this one minus 17 plus 17 into cos x less than or equal to 0. So therefore minus 17 plus 17 into cos x is belongs to closed interval of closed interval of minus 34 comma 0 closed. So clearly which option is right? You come here. First option is right. Hence the problem. The range of sine inverse of box of x square plus 1 by 2 plus cos inverse of box of, it is the integer function, box of x square minus 1 by 2. So find the range of this function. Before that, let us recall the domain of a sine inverse x. So domain of a function and this is the domain, function sine inverse x, domain will be closed interval of minus 1 comma plus 1. Of course, for cos inverse x is also closed interval of minus 1 comma 1, just like that. Okay, we need not to write here the range of sine inverse x, cos inverse x. Let it be, later we discuss. Next, here x belongs to closed interval of minus 1 comma 1, means this is the sine inverse and it is the cos inverse. So minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Gradually, first I am getting this value x square plus 1 by 2. Later x square minus 1 by 2. So it follows that 0 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 1. Remember, it is not taking square throughout the inequation. Okay, whenever means what? Whenever x lies between plus 1 and minus 1, this is x area, then x square will be only 0 to x, means non-negative area. Okay, next plus half means 0 plus 1 by 2 less than or equal to x square plus 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 plus 1 by 2. So that implies 1 by 2 less than or equal to x square plus 1 by 2 less than or equal to, it is 3 by 2. Now let us consider box value. Okay, it is what? It is nothing but 0.5. It is what? 1.5. So therefore first it is 1 by 2 less than or equal to x square plus 1 by 2. Next less than or equal to 1 minute. Let us take the graph. This is 0, this is 0.5, this is 1.5, means it will be say 1. What I am telling that this value is in this area, means from 0.5 to 1.5. So what about its box value in this area? Because it is less than 1, means for 1 by 2 is less than or equal to x square plus 1 by 2 less than 1. In this case, its box value x square plus 1 by 2 value will be 0, and for 1 less than or equal to means what? In this area 1 less than or equal to x square plus 1 by 2 less than or equal to 3 by 2. In this area box of x square plus 1 by 2 that is equal to means in this area it is 1. So therefore box of x square plus 1 by 2 value is either 0 or 1 Let it be, this is the first case and it will be the second case. Okay, let us discuss for x square minus 1 by 2 also. So already we said 0 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 1. Next minus 1 by 2 is there. So minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to x square minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. So it is minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to x square minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to plus 1 by 2. So graphically Graphically it is 0, it is minus 0.5, next it is plus 0.5. So therefore, in this area means minus 0.5 less than or equal to x square minus 1 by 2 less than 0, then its box value x square minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1. Already you did know very well how to take box values for negative numbers. Okay, next interval 0 to 0.5. So 0 less than or equal to x square minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to 0.5, then its box value x square minus 1 by 2 that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. So therefore box of x square minus 1 by 2 value either minus 1 comma 0 or 0. Here the first case is minus 1 and second case is according to graph, according to real line, according to graph. This is the second case. Now the question is find the range of sine inverse. So therefore first sine inverse of x square plus 1 by 2. X square, you see here, x square plus 1 by 2, x square plus 1 by 2. You come here, x square plus 1 by 2, first case is what? 0. First case is 0 plus cos inverse of, it is the first case. Next, cos inverse of, for which we have to take the first case. What is the first case? Minus 1. So that is equal to sine inverse of 0, 0. Sine inverse of 0. How? 1 minute. Already we did know it is in inverse trigonometric function. Okay, I wish to explain once again. Here sine theta is equal to x, then theta can be sine inverse of x. We can write like that. Later regarding in this topic we shall discuss the conditions for theta and conditions of x. It is out of question at present. Here sine 0 degrees is equal to 0. In the same sense, theta equal to sine inverse of 0. Thus we wrote, instead of sine inverse of 0, its value is equal to 0. Later plus. Next, actually cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse of x. This is the formula in inverse trigonometric function. You come here. Is it visible? This is that cos inverse of minus x. Is it visible? So pi minus. So for which? Pi minus cos inverse of 1. So that is equal pi minus. What is cos 0? Cos 0 degrees equal to 1. So 0 equal to cos inverse of 1. These are the basic points in inverse trigonometric functions. So cos inverse of 1 means 0. Thus pi minus 0 is equal to pi. So therefore pertaining the first case, its value means the output range is pi. Later and let us consider the second case. Once again, sine inverse of, you come here, show it. Box of x square plus 1 by 2. Box of x square plus 1 by 2. First case is over. Next, second case. In second case, it is 1 is there. Later, you see here, plus cos inverse of x square minus 1 by 2. X square minus 1 by 2. Now, second case, cos inverse of 0. This is the first case, second case. Okay. Next, sine inverse of 1 value. Actually, according to this formula, sine 90 degrees, sine 90 degrees equal to 1. Thus, this 90 equal to sine inverse of 1 according to this. So, its value is equal to pi by 2 plus next cos 90. Cos 90 degrees equal to 0. Thus pi by 2 is equal to cos inverse of 0. So cos inverse of 0 is also pi by 2. So therefore pi by 2 plus pi by 2 pi. Hence we are seeing that in first case it is pi, output is pi. In the second case the output is also pi. Hence the answer is singleton set pi. Second option is right. Hence the problem. Find the range of f of x equal to box of sin x plus box of cos x plus box of tan x plus box of secant x. Whereas x belongs to open interval of 0, pi by 4. These are the 4 given options. Okay. First let us take 1 minute. The question is about the range. He has given x belongs to open interval of 0, pi by 4. X means domain. Okay, directly domain is given. We need not to find the domain. Okay. So therefore, x belongs to open interval of 0, pi by 4. That implies 0 less than x less than pi by 4. This is the complete meaning. Okay. First, I will find secant x. So I will come from back to front. Secant x. So secant x equal to means applying secant on both sides. Secant is 0. So that I can write directly. Secant 0 1 less than secant x less than secant 45 degrees. Cos 45 degrees equal to 1 by root 2. Secant 45 degrees equal to root 2. Root 2 means what? It is approximate equal to 1.4 something, just like that. Understand? Okay. This is 1.4. Okay. So therefore, what is its box value? Box of secant x equal to 1 to 1.4 means lower bound 1. So box value 1. You did know already the application of box of x. Okay, it is 4 bar latter plus tan x. Okay, the question f of x becomes now box of sin x plus box of cos x plus box of tan x plus this secant box of secant value is 1. We did find here 1. Okay, let us close all the boxes. Its box, closed box. It is its box. Next, its box, just like that. Okay, next you come here. Here 0 less than x less than pi by 4. Apply tan on both sides. So tan 0 0 less than tan x less than tan 45 degrees equal to 1. Tan 45 degrees equal to 1. Okay, we have to get the function or expression or the value tan x plus 1. So therefore, adding 1 on throughout the equation. So 0 less than tan x less than 1 is there. Just we add 1. Then it becomes 1 less than 1 plus tan x less than 2. So this value lies between 1 to 2. Then its box value, box of 1 plus tan x is equal to 1. So therefore, its total with the box, this box value equals to 1. So therefore, f of x becomes box of sin x plus box of cos x, box of cos x plus, what is this box value? 1. 1. So it's a box closed. Next, it's a box closed. Now we have to find the value of cos x plus 1 in the same interval. So let us consider once again 0, 0, 0 less than x less than pi by 4. Now first we apply cos. Cos means cos 0, 1 less than cos x less than 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. That is 1 less than cos x is less than 1 by root 2 means 1 by root 2 value, just like 1.4 approximation equal to. So it is 10 by 14. So that is equal to 14 7, 0.7 something. So it is nearly 0.7 something, 0.7 something. But we should not write like that because in cos graph will be like that. It is minus pi by 2. It will be plus pi by 2. It is 0. Of course, it is 45 degrees pi by 4. So in this, you come here 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. It is decreasing. It is decreasing. That's why we have to write like that. Cos pi by 4 less than cos x less than cos 0. Just like that. Okay. 1 by root 2. It is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 means just like 0.7 less than cos x less than cos 0. 1. Next, add 1. So it is 1.7 less than 1 plus cos x less than 2. Then in such a case, what is the value of box? Its box value 1 plus box of 1 plus cos x equal to 1. So its value is equal to 1. So therefore box of sin x plus its value 1. So f of x, finally f of x became box of sin x plus 1. Next here you come here 0 less than x less than pi by 4. Now we have to apply sign. So sin 0 less than sin x less than sin 45 degrees 1 by root 2. So 0 add 1. Actually 0 less than sin x less than 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 0.7. It is of course means nearly approximation value, not exact value, 0.7 something. Next add 1 throughout the equation. 1 less than 1 plus sin x less than 1.7. So what about its box value? 1 plus sin x that is equals to 1. So its value is equals to 1. Its value is equal to 1. There is one singleton set 1. So the range of the given function f of x is 1. It is singleton set. Thus third option is right. Hence the problem.